Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how to print document from your mobile phone to HP Color Laserjet Pro MFP M479FDN. To print your document, you need to go to your file on your mobile phone. So go to the file. So go to your, this is the file. Go to my file. And now select documents. Okay, and this is the, select the document you want to print out. This is the document I want to print out, 2 pages. Okay, now to print this document out, there are 2 ways. You need to make sure mobile phone and the printer are connected to the same network, and my mobile phone and this printer is connected to the same network. So go on top and select the 3 dots on top. Now when you select the 3 dots, there select print. Okay, and you will see this app. Now scroll down to look for this printer. This printer is HP Color Laserjet Pro, and add it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready, and it's showing us yellow color, which means that this printer is ready. Now you can do so many things from here. You can scroll down again to add how many copies, color, print 2-sided, paper type, orientation. You can fill all the information here by scrolling down. For the color, is we want it color, 2-sided, long edge, and also the paper size is A4 paper. Okay, so you can scroll down to select A4, and the orientation is portrait, and page is all page. Okay, then select print by selecting the yellow image. Here we go. This printer now is document is printing. Now this is the document we printed out. Okay, you can see the document we printed out using this printer via mobile device, and it's connected to Wi-Fi network. You print automatic 2-sided print. But if you are using it via USB cable, then you need to print it 2-sided by manual. Now another way to print this document from this is you go to HP Smart App. This printer is connected to mobile phone using HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App, open it up, and this printer is ready. Now the next thing to do is you need to select print document. Then you select print basic PDF. It will take you to the document you save. Okay, so we're going to print this document. Okay, this is the first, and so page 1 and 2. So now the next thing to do is select print. Select print, and it's processing, and the printer is ready here. Then the next thing to do is select how many copies, page range, print 2-sided, long edge, color, we want to print it black and white, and paper size is A4, and orientation is portrait. You can select more option. If you select more option, then it give you for you to select the quality, paper tray, paper type, and scaling. Okay, auto quality normal. You can select best quality, paper tray, auto, paper type, plain paper, scaling, fill, page. Okay, and make sure it's in document. If you are printing photo, then you select photo, then go back, okay, and select print. Now this document is going to print here. Okay, now open it up. This is the document we printed out, black and white. So this is how to print your document from your mobile phone to HP printer. So there are two ways, like I said. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is HP Deskjet 2721E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this printer. I'm going to show you how to scan a document from this printer, okay, using a mobile device. This printer is connected to my mobile device and is connected to the same network. Okay, check my video, you see how we connected this printer to send to Wi-Fi network. What I want to do is to show you how to scan a document. We're going to scan this document. To scan the document, open up the scanner, stick the document you want to scan face down, close it. Now go to the app, HP Smart App, select printer scanner. Okay, and the printer scanner is ready. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select the paper size, page size. If you are using different paper, then you need to select. If you are using letter, 5x7, 4x6, 3.5 by 5, okay, or A4, then you need to select. So what we selected now is A4 paper. Okay, then you go back. Source is glass scanner. Resolution, select resolution. The maximum you can do resolution is 300 dpi with mobile phone. At the moment it's in 200 dpi. Okay, and color, you can select color or black. At the moment it's in color. Okay, then select, go back again, select start scan. Now this document is scanning. Okay, you can see the document to scan. Now the next you need to do is select next. If you're happy with it, then you select next. Okay, and now if you want to scan another document, to scan the second document, open up the scanner, remove this and stick the second document you want to scan on top of the scanner, close it. Okay, now go to the app, select add on top, add. Okay, do the same thing, select scan. I also want to mention, if you want to scan photo, then you need to select photo. If you want to scan document, you need to select document. So we are scanning document. Okay, select scan. Here we go. So the second document we scan is here. Okay, so you can also make sure that it's full. Okay, if you have it auto, you can make sure that it's full. Okay, once you are ready, select next. Okay, and this is the first and second document we scan. So this is the document we scan. Now if you want to print this document out, you can also print it out. You can also share this document, you can save. So many things you can do with this document. Okay, select print to print it out. Okay, now you select how many copies, page range, color, orientation. If you want more, select more setting, select quality and scaling, then go back, select print. This is the first one. This is the second one. Okay, so this is the document we scan, printed it out now, and it will also show you on the app that our printing job is on the way. Okay, start saving, not now. Okay, so the next thing to do is this document. Ideally, when you scan the document, you need to save it, okay, for you to be able to print it. So now, because we didn't save this document, so we'll scan it again. Select scan. Okay, make sure you have it full. Okay, select next. Okay, and remove this document. Stick the second one you want to scan on top. Close it. Select add. Scan again. Okay, select full, click next. Okay, this is the first and second one. So we printed this document out. What I want to show you is to save this document. Select save. Okay, if you save this document, you can add your name or anything you like to be able to remember. Click save, and this document now is saved. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is to share this document. Okay, via email. Select share. Okay, select share. Also, make sure before you share the document, make sure you select PDF. Okay, so that is, and also sharing the file, you can share the actual size or reduce it. Okay, the actual size is 0.6 MB. You can have it medium. To reduce it, click share. Now I give you option to share this via several platforms: email, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to share this via Outlook email. Okay, this document now is attached to my inbox. Okay, I'm going to type the email address of the person I want to send it to. Click send. Click OK. So this document now is sent to myself. Okay, pretty much our job is done here. The next thing we need to do is we need to go back. Okay, so you go to the inbox. Okay, go to the inbox and wait for this document we sent to the inbox. Here we go. This is the document. Okay, this note to self. This is the document sent to my inbox. Click it open. This is the document to scan and send to my inbox. Okay, so if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. So we have been able to scan this document, printed it out, share and save. Okay, thank you. If you want, I also want to mention, if you want to know the document, where the document you save, you go to your file, go to your phone, my file. Okay, go to documents. Okay, and select this is the document. Open it up. Okay, so this is the document you save. Okay, you can also check. You can use the date, or it will also tell you the particular time or the date you save the document. So this is how it works. You just need to go to your file. Okay, go to the file and check the document you save, where you save it. And this is the document here. Okay, thank you very much indeed, guys. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.